guys, 2 weeks until the voice beta launch. Just a little over 14 days until the doors to voice open up. I'll leave a link to the EOS Newswire.1 voice countdown page in the description below. But there is some recent news from yesterday out of voice in the updates section here. They released some of the slide deck with features and functionalities presented to the SCC in December 2019. Here's the page, and here is the slide deck here. And there are some interesting things in here that I do want to cover. First thing I want to cover, verified identity helps ensure civil discourse between real people to combat systemic manipulation. Voice will go a step further and require all users to complete KYC steps, present valid photo ID and proof of address to complete identity verification and establish place of residence. So yes, you will need to submit a photo ID and a proof of your address to become a verified user on Voice and earn Voice tokens. If you're just browsing the site, you don't need to do this. But for those that do want to create content and get rewarded Voice tokens, for now at least, to meet regulatory requirements and combat fake accounts and bots, a photo ID and address will be required. Of course, transparency, this is blockchain after all, so everything will be on the blockchain. History of users' actions. Tokens allow users to earn their fair share of the beneficial output of their efforts. Tokens serve three key purposes: facilitating engagement with other users in their content, allowing authors to boost the visibility of their content, serving as a measure of the popularity of content based on the public interest in promoting it. All users are given a base number of tokens to try system mechanics on entry and to participate on a regular basis. So every verified user's account will be loaded in the beginning with voice tokens. So pretty much a voice token airdrop at sign up. Only registered users can hold voice tokens. Transfers between registered users is integral to the proper functioning of the system in order to help balance the asymmetrical dynamics between content creation and demand for promoted content and engagement mechanics. So of course you will be able to transfer these tokens. So you can either hold onto the tokens to increase your reach and boost your own content, or you can transfer those tokens to actually monetize your content. Like rewards, Voice uses tokens to reward users who author content that gets many likes from other users. A formula calculates the number of tokens to be awarded based on the number of likes and views received by the content compared to other highly liked content. And there will be moderation. Users who violate Voice terms of use or content standards may have their tokens canceled or be suspended from receiving rewards. Users who report prohibited content may receive token rewards for helping to uphold community standards. I've seen some already say that, they're not happy with this moderation, but just to keep an example in the crypto space, if someone on Voice puts out a link to a phishing site where if you click the link and go on that site, they steal or attempt to steal your private keys and take all your crypto. It'll probably be less common because you do have to go through KYC in order to get an account. So will the scammers really risk losing their account just to maybe sucker a couple of people in the beginning before their content gets taken down and then leave a permanent stain or completely shut down their account? Let me know your thoughts on this down in the comments below. Voice tokens are earned through engagement. Users receive an initial 30 days of daily allowance up front so that they can immediately start using them. So 30 days worth of voice tokens. Not sure what that's going to work out to be, but you get 30 days worth up front, so that initial airdrop. And another one, daily rewards. Apart from daily rewards, authors who create popular content will receive rewards through their engagement. There's going to be other types of rewards that may be offered for exceptional content, watching ads, helping to moderate content, and inviting others to Voice. Voice themselves will receive roughly 10% of the tokens created annually. And on this page, there's something interesting. I'm not quite sure I understand what it means, but under the content tagging section, buying tags. So it sounds like users will be able to buy or bid on specific tags and maybe be able to monetize those or moderate those tag feeds or something like that. So not quite sure what that means, but there might be an opportunity in the beginning to get yourself some tags that you can then monetize. So something to look out for in the beginning. And then they go on to some legal features. I didn't see really anything that stuck out to me here, anything that was new. But yeah, a pretty big deck put out by the voice team of what was presented to the SEC. Not the complete presentation, but quite a few slides in here with some interesting tidbits, some new things that I did not know. Again, link in the description below to the EOS Newswire voice countdown page, and the voice.com slide deck can be found in the January 29 update here, voice.com blog, a regulatory recap. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. And 14 more days to go. 14 days, 2 weeks until the voice beta launch. I'm excited, but that's it for this one, guys. Are you on Telos yet? Telos is an EOS.io blockchain currently running at 0% inflation thanks to the Telos Economic Development Plan redistributing the TLOS tokens that were reserved for accounts on exchanges during the snapshot that were never claimed. Check out the link in the description to this page where you can learn how to get your free Telos account, Rex your TLOS if you have some, and something new is the Telos DApp list. Again, link to this page here in the description below. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's it for me for this one, guys. See ya in the next one.